Hi friends, today we are going to open my fitness watch, which is from Berry. I ordered it from here. The name of the watch is Garmin VivoActive 4 GPS, which has like GPS facility, features music. It has body measurement, energy monitoring, animated workouts, and it has pulse OX sensors and many things. I have ordered for shadow gray silver pattern. So let's do the unboxing. Today I received it. So the package seems to be in a gray color. Seems very nice packing. There has to be some tape on it. I'm going to take it out. I think the seal is very sturdy. It's taking a lot of time to come out. There you go. Finally. Okay. So if you see this, there are main features. It says up to 8 days, smartwatch mode, 45 mm size, swim 580 m water rating, all day health monitoring, which has pulse OX, body battery, respiration, stress, wrist based heart rate, and then it has Garmin Pay as well. On screen workouts, it has music control, and this is how it looks like. The packing is like this. Let's take out. So they have the watch with the belt. Okay, seems very unique. Let's take out the strap. Wow. And let's see what's other component inside the box. Should be one charger and a manual. Yes. So there are two manual inside this, which is generally not used. People do learn the tricks by using it. And this is the charger. So I guess they do have some amount of charge before they send to the customer. This is the charger where you just plug in like this. Yes, there is a sound. And let's plug this. So there is a triangle shape showing it's getting charged. I have switched on as well. Very good picturization. Setup. English. Okay, so I have to download the Garmin app and then I can connect it with my phone. So in the next video I will share what is the usage, how it is working, maybe after 30 days of using. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.